Are you doing any custom lettering for the holiday season? If so, I hope to help you in this video by showing you 3 ways you can use your lettering for Christmas, and I'm going to show you 10 different styles to letter Merry Christmas. Hello lettering friend, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights. I teach hand lettering simply to help you feel confident right where you are. Thanks for checking out this video. Let's get into it. The first way to use your lettering for Christmas is to make an easy Christmas card. I just cut out some cardstock in the card size I wanted, and I'm using my light pad to trace Merry Christmas directly from my worksheets. These are my brand new 10 ways to letter worksheets that I will tell you more about in a minute. I'm using my Pentel Touch brush pen in the new colors. I have a video about those. I will link to that below. I like using my light pad to trace because that way I don't have to sketch it out and try to erase under the ink. If you don't have a light pad, you can use an iPad, or I've even turned my laptop on its side and used that as a light pad. There's lots of other things you can do. I wanted this Christmas card to be really simple. You could add any colors or doodles. I just decided to do a simple holly berry. I'm looking for any way to simplify my life, especially around the holidays. When the world tells us to focus on more, doing more, getting more, I really am trying to focus on less. Less has kind of been my word lately. All right, moving on. Next, for the second way to use your lettering, I'm making a chalk lettering decor I could put somewhere in my home. I like to do chalk lettering on glass because it's less messy. There's no chalk dust and it wipes right off the glass if I need to redo something. All you need to do is frame a black piece of paper. I'm using a VersaChalk white chalk marker in size fine. I'm also using Bistro chalk marker, also size fine. I like the VersaChalk in white, but I didn't like the color of the gold from VersaChalk. But I really like the gold of the Marvy chalk marker, so that's why I'm using 2 different brands. The brand doesn't really matter though. So it depends on what colors you have and what you're looking for. Let me know what your favorite chalk marker is. I am working on a chalk marker comparison, so hopefully I will have that video for you very soon. Another thing that I really like about lettering on glass is being able to trace my design, just like I did with my light pad, but without the light pad. It's just super nice to be able to trace and not worry about making mistakes. You could even frame a different colored paper for a different look. I think white on a gold background would look really pretty. I really like seeing multiple styles together, so I thought this was perfect to use my worksheets to actually create my lettering design. You could letter just one and trace it on your glass. If your design is bigger, you could do faux calligraphy and use a larger chalk marker. Because my lettering is so small, that didn't really make sense for me, but I really like how this turned out, and I'm excited to display it somewhere. All right, the third way to use your lettering for Christmas is a little different and may not seem as exciting, but hear me out. I'm talking about practicing your lettering in a Christmas theme. You can use lettering worksheets like these, but you could also just practice any of your favorite Christmas words, choose some Christmas colors, and turn on some Christmas music, and just letter for fun with no purpose other than feeling good. Sometimes we think practicing is either this chore where we have to make sure to practice the basic strokes, do your drills, and then practice the hard things. But for me, it's more meaningful if I'm using lettering as what it needs to be for me. Normally, that means a source of calm, almost like a therapy. It's so relaxing to sit down and focus on the moment instead of everything I'm worried about. I can pay attention to each stroke instead of what I need to get done tomorrow. And this really is why I letter. It's fun to make cute lettering projects to give as gifts or to use as decor, but at the end of the day, I need lettering for myself to be my creative outlet. I don't always get a ton of time to be able to do this, but I notice that I feel so much better when I do, even if it's just 5 to 10 minutes. Will you let me know what kind of things you are loving to practice right now? Is there a certain technique you're working on? Are there certain words that you're really loving? I'm enjoying lettering Merry Christmas over and over with my Christmas playlist playing in the background. Does it help you to see these 10 different styles? I hope this can give you some inspiration. If you want to practice on these actual worksheets, these are part of my brand new worksheet set called 10 Ways to Letter. These worksheets include 10 different styles with the months, days, holidays, numbers, and all different planner and bullet journal words that were requested a while ago. They are on sale just in this first week, so until December 9th. I'll leave the details for that in the description. I will leave you with the rest of my practice and just turn on some music so that you can feel like you're practicing with me. I hope this helps you to take your mind off of whatever you are worried about today and to relax a little bit. Before I go, I just want to thank you for being here and subscribing to my channel. I always love hearing from you in the comments. I want to remind you that the way you create right now is exactly where you need to be. I will see you next time.